Hello, David here, and the project for today is determining why the two outer lights don't work. Yeah, I know there's no bulbs in there, but I already tested them with good bulbs. So I know the sockets are dead, only the middle socket is working. So I'm going to remove this, and I see that there's two of these things on the end. I'll take that off. I'll disconnect the power leads and take this whole thing off of the wall. First, I'm going to remove these glass fixtures so they don't break. But before I do that, let's cut the power at the fuse box. Let's see what we got behind here. What? Okay, let's freeze the frame right here. Things are going too fast because I don't have a tripod and adequate lighting. Those two black leads in the lower left corner are dead. They're coming from the sockets. So the black lead that's coming out of the red wire nut in the center of the frame, that's hot. So what I have to do is just twist those two dead leads together from the sockets and then connect those through the wire nut with where those two black wires are. That black wire coming from the wall is the hot lead from the power panel, and that other black wire going into the fixture, of course, goes to the center socket. These two black leads are not connected. I might be able to fix this right now. Okay, I'm going to need my other hand to connect this. Alright, I reconnected the power at the fuse box. Let's test it out. Yeah, it's working. All I need to do is get some bulbs that fit this fixture. That was an easy fix. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.